Hey, how you doing? This AMWTS car audio 82, man. I got through putting in that big wire for my bass. It makes a huge difference when you put a thicker core in your power supply. I'll let y'all hear how it sounds. 1 second. I'm trying to drive right now. Yeah, I see the police. I can't have it up too loud. So I'm signing out. AMWTS car audio 82. Please subscribe, people. It's a new channel. Try to help people kind of hook their cars up or be inspired of to take something from nothing to make it to something. Peace.